Alicia is a versatile and elegant unisex fragrance that opens with a fresh and citrusy burst of bergamot, balanced by the delicate floral aroma of orange blossom. The heart unfolds into a luxurious floral bouquet, combining the opulent richness of jasmine, the romantic softness of rose, and the exotic sweetness of ylang ylang. It settles into a warm sensual base with musky undertones, the sweet warmth of amber and the earthy richness of patchouli, making it a well-rounded and enduring scent suitable for any occasion and appealing to both men and women. Performance elements of Alicia fragrance. Longevity. Alicia offers good longevity, typically lasting several hours on the fabric. The warm base notes of musk, amber, and patchouli help the fragrance endure, making it suitable for extended wear throughout the day and evening. Sillage. Alicia has a moderate sillage, creating a noticeable but not overpowering scent trail. It's ideal for social settings where you want to be noticed without overwhelming those around you. Projection. The fragrance projects well within a close radius, making it perceptible to those nearby without being too intense. It's balanced, making it versatile for both personal and social use. Season. Alicia's versatile blend of fresh floral and warm notes makes it suitable for wear throughout the year. The citrusy top notes of bergamot and orange blossom are refreshing in spring and summer, while the warm musky base provides comfort in autumn and winter. Occasion. Alicia's elegant and balanced composition makes it versatile enough for both daytime and evening wear. Its fresh and floral notes are appropriate for daytime events, while the warm base makes it sophisticated enough for evening occasion. Type. Fresh floral and warm. Alicia is characterized by its fresh citrus opening, luxurious floral heart and warm sensual base. This blend creates a well-rounded fragrance that is both inviting and elegant. Style. Elegant and sophisticated. Alicia exudes a style that is timeless and refined. It's perfect for those who appreciate a fragrance that is both graceful and versatile, suitable for a variety of settings. Mood. Uplifting and comforting. The fresh citrus and floral notes create an uplifting mood, while the warm musky base adds a comforting and sensual touch, making the wearer feel both refreshed and grounded. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.